Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to follow people on Triller. So as you can see here on the following page, I'm currently following no one, but how I'm going to follow someone is when you're scrolling through on the Triller app, let's say from the music or social section, you're kind of scrolling through, you'll see above a person's name and their profile, next to their profile picture, the follow button. You just want to click on that to follow the person, then it'll say you are now following that person's name. And if you want to look up someone's name specifically, you can click that little search bar there, as you can see, that little magnifying glass. Search bar at the top, type in the person's name, then you'll be able to click on their name there, and then on their profile, you just be able to click follow on it. And then if you want to see who you're following, then we can go to your account by clicking the bottom right hand corner here, and then click on following. Then you'll be able to unfollow them by clicking on the right hand side of their name like this. Click on them and then click on follow. And then you can see all the people who you're following just by clicking the following kind of tab here. Then you'll be able to scroll for all the people you're following now and watch all their Triller videos. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see all my how-to videos on the Triller app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.